gaming rig to see how it does with a new game. Wow, it looks like my avatar changed. Actually, this job Age of Empires, this looks exactly like me. I've grown a beard during quarantine, so it looks just like me. And this is pretty cool. The embers are actually affected by the mouse. So if you move the mouse around, you can flick the embers away. The gaming rig that I have, it is a Optiplex 7020 i5. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 1080 Ti graphics card. So we're going to see how it does with some stuff going on the screen. Skip over this. We got the loading screen. Okay, so it slowed down a little bit on the loading screen. I hadn't seen it do that before, so I don't really know why it did it just now. But for the most part, this is probably my third time playing this game on my new gaming rig. For the most part, I haven't seen any slowdowns in-game, even with a lot of action going on the screen. Now the loading screen is taking a little bit longer with this machine because I kept the original 500 gigabyte hard drive for game storage and then converted the DVD-ROM drive into a solid state drive to run my operating system. So the menus, the operating system runs quick, but the games load slow as they used to. Alright, let's see how this looks. Zooming in, got some fire action going there. Zooming back out. This is on maximum resolution settings. My monitor is not a 1080p monitor, but close. Let me grab a lot of these people and send them something.
Yeah.
Now I'll probably need to play this game a little bit more in order to get a lot happening on the screen. But moving around, it looks pretty fluid. The action looks good. And there you have it. You can play Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition on this gaming rig, no problem.